Top VPNs with the best customer support and features in today's digital world. Even the most tech-savvy users need reliable customer support. That's where a top VPN truly shines, not just in security, but in service. When choosing a VPN, don't just look at encryption or speed. Look at how they support you when things go wrong. Do they offer 24/7 live chat? Email support? Detailed setup guides? NordVPN, for instance, has excellent round-the-clock live chat and a rich knowledge base to help you troubleshoot or learn. ExpressVPN is also known for its prompt customer support and fast responses. These services even offer helpful walkthrough videos and system-specific instructions for every device, from routers to smartphones. But customer service isn't the only feature you should consider. Look for VPNs that also provide advanced options like split tunneling, kill switch, smart DNS, and multi-hop connections. These tools don't just make your connection secure, they give you control. Some VPNs even offer dedicated IP addresses, ad blockers, and malware protection. So when choosing your VPN, go beyond the surface. Les dito udyam ben, wow. Great service plus great features equals a VPN worth investing in. Top VPNs with the best customer support and features. https://affiliates.nordvpn.com. Sign up mine tunave 552. Choose a VPN that not only protects your privacy, but also supports you 24/7. NordVPN offers top-tier support and user-friendly features for beginners and experts alike.